Deep in the rainforest, a fungus crawls into an ant's body and takes the wheel, steering it like a puppet to its doom. And the creepiest part? Some of its tricks show up in human infections too. Fact 1. The zombie ant. A fungus called Ophiocordyceps infects carpenter ants and gradually overrides their behavior. The doomed ant abandons its colony, climbs to a precise height on a leaf, and clamps its jaws down in a death grip it will never release. From there, the fungus erupts from the ant's head to rain spores onto the colony below. Fact 2. Brain without control. Here's the genuinely shocking twist scientists discovered. The fungus doesn't actually invade the ant's brain. Instead, it weaves a 3D network of cells throughout the ant's muscles and surrounds the brain, controlling the body almost like an external puppeteer. The ant's brain may be a passenger in its own body, watching itself die. Fact 3. Time to noon. The death grip doesn't happen randomly. It's astonishingly precise. Infected ants tend to bite down around solar noon, and the fungus appears to synchronize its takeover with the daily light cycle. Its biological clockwork tuned for the perfect conditions to spread. Fact 4. Chemical puppet strings. The fungus floods the ant with a cocktail of bioactive compounds, including chemicals that interfere with the insect's nervous system signaling. Some of these molecules resemble neurotransmitters and compounds that affect behavior. It's essentially rewriting the ant's instructions using chemistry. Fact 5. Not just ants. Mind-controlling parasites are weirdly common across nature. A fungus makes cicadas keep mating while their bodies fall apart. A worm drives crickets to drown themselves. And a wasp turns cockroaches into docile zombies it walks on a leash. Hijacking a host behavior has evolved over and over again. Fact 6. The cat parasite. A single-celled parasite called Toxoplasma gondii can only reproduce inside cats. So, it manipulates rodents to get there. Infected mice lose their fear of cat urine and may even become attracted to it, practically delivering themselves to a predator. This is mind control aimed squarely at survival of the parasite. Fact 7. It's inside humans. That same cat parasite infects a huge share of people worldwide, often without obvious symptoms. It quietly forms cysts in human brain and muscle tissue and can persist for life. Roughly a third of the global population may carry it right now. Fact 8. Subtle behavior shifts. Studies have linked toxoplasma infection in humans to subtle changes, slower reaction times, increased risk-taking, and statistical associations with certain personality and mental health patterns. The effects are debated and far from dramatic zombie control. But the idea that a brain parasite could nudge human behavior is being taken seriously. Fact 9. Gut talks to brain. Beyond parasites, your own microbes may shape how you feel and act. Gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters and communicate with the brain along the vagus nerve, a connection scientists call the gut-brain axis. In animal experiments, swapping gut microbes can shift anxiety and behavior. Fact 10. Could it reach us? Cordyceps can't zombify humans. Our body temperature and immune system make us terrible hosts, despite what video games suggest. But studying how it hijacks insects helps scientists understand brain chemistry and even inspires new drug and pest control research. Nature already solved mind control. We're just learning to read the manual. Nature is far stranger than fiction, and we've barely scratched the surface. Subscribe for daily videos that make the world a little weirder and a lot more fascinating.